Yes, Miss Gizelda. To me that tell you no say. You remember Mas Charlie and Miss Bessie last daughter? Yes, he same one where used to live up a tapil beside the plum tree. Yes, Miss Gizelda, he same one where could have had you from thy kingdom come to today. You know, say at one time he thinks he pick me and I turn liar, you know. Because even with his own shadow, he had you with. No, but me get to understand now, say. In turn, dentist up a Canada. But be happy for you know, Miss Gizelda. At least he still use his mouth for good purpose, teeth and gum, instead of argument in a courtroom. Miss Gizelda, tap right there so. Tap right there so. You're right. The power of prayer, you know, because every day, you know, Bessie and Charlie used to good on pan their knee for that the little girl, you know. That's why me tell you, say the power of prayer, you know, Miss Gizelda, we move any mountain, you know. That's why, Miss Gizelda, we have to stay rooted in a Christ. And we have to cover with them with the blood that was shed on Calvary. So that any little hacklings coming at them way where Satan want to bring, he have to just walk past them because the power of Jesus Christ is upon them and a lead them steps. Yes, Miss Gizelda. Yes, Miss Gizelda. I start tell you about the prayer and with the power of prayer do for me, you see. We would have there for all day, all year. Yes, Miss Gizelda, we have to continue to live with picking them up in a prayer. Yes. All right. God be praised and we will talk again. You hear? All right. All right, Miss Gizelda. Yes. My people, let me tell you same thing. The power of prayer is real, you know. And you see every morning you get up and every night you go on the bed. Lift up and pick them in a prayer. Because when they cover with prayer, the enemy have a answer back. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world you know there.